Hello everyone, today at Secret Super Chef we have strawberry sandwich cookies. Buttery cookies filled with fresh strawberry jam. Make them for your loved ones before the strawberry season ends. Let's begin. Whisk 85 grams of butter in a bowl. Add 3/4 cup brown sugar and cream them together. Add 1 egg and few drops of vanilla. Whisk till soft and creamy. Add 2 cups flour, whisk to combine. Our cookie dough is ready. Wrap it in the premium wrap and refrigerate it for 1 hour. Let's prepare our cookie pattern. Roll the dough, cut them into strips and make the pattern as shown in the video. Using a cookie cutter, cut in desired shape. If you don't want to make it too fancy, you can make a simple pattern too. Since it's the season of love, I am using the heart-shaped cookie cutter. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake the cookies for 6 minutes. Take the zipper bags. Fill our homemade strawberry jam. We will use it as our piping bag. Spread the cookies with the strawberry jam. Place the designer cookies over them, and our amazing jam-filled cookies are ready. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.